All right, so for this one, we're going to model this speed square. So this is a 45-degree angle, and it has this lip action on both sides of it. So we're going to start off by bringing over a square, or cube, and this is going to be 4, and then this is going to be 5, and then our thickness is going to be 1/8 of an inch, so 0.125. All right, so there's our start. And what we want to do is we actually want to take off part of this corner. And so what I'm going to do is we're going to use the triangle, or it calls it a roof, but we want this right angle here. So I'm going to bring it across, and I'm going to make it as green as fine. The issue is I need it to be oriented differently. So we have these little rotation pieces here. So I'm going to click on the rotation. I'm going to bring it 90 degrees. And then I'm going to rotate on the bottom here. I'm actually going to go 45 degrees. So I have the right shape if I look from the top, but it's not the right size. So I'm going to go back to my home view, click on the corner, and I'm going to make this 4, and then the height is also 4. And so what that'll do is that will sit in this corner here, and it'll allow us to cut that part off. So I need to align those pieces. So what I'm going to do is drag a box on all of it, click the Align tool, and I need it to be aligned up in the corner, so that those pieces are lined up like that. And now my next piece is to actually turn this into a hole. So I click on it, I click Hole, and I'm going to now group those two together. So I select them all, and then I click Group, and what I've done is I've created that 45-degree angle. So that's that first part. We have 1 inch left over up here. I'm going to bring another piece across. I'm going to click on the corner. This is going to be 4 by 1, and then its thickness is going to be 0.75. Nope, sorry, not 0.125. And I'm going to make it green so we can see it. And I need a copy of that, so I'm going to click on the copy icon, and I'm going to be right there. All right, we need to bring that into this corner here. So I'm going to select these. Actually, it's not on the right plane yet. So if I look at it, they're all together. They're coplanar. I don't want that to be that way. I'm going to click on Work Plane, click on that surface, click on the green one, and I'm going to drop it there. So now it's moved it up. If you see there, it's in the right plane. I'm going to select these two with the box, and I'm going to click on Align. So it's helping me to click on Top View to see it. I want to click on this one, I'm going to align there, and then I'm going to align in the corner, and that has dropped it right into that corner. You got to just kind of play around with the Align tool. It can be a little bit tricky, but I'm going to now lock those. Select those two and lock them in place. And now I want to bring the other, let's make it a different color. So I'm going to make this purple, and I want to drop that down to the bottom because it goes down here. So I'm going to click on Work Plane. Click on the bottom there, and now I want to select the purple one, and I want to drop it down. All right, so I have it down there. I'm going to try to click on the bottom so I can see this. I'm going to select these two, drag a box around it, click Align. I want that corner to line up, and I want that corner to line up, and hopefully, there we go. We have made our speed square. So from 3 pieces, hopefully we're getting a little bit quicker at this, we've now used the rotate tool, and we used convert it to a hole to be able to create the shape that we wanted there with that angle.